Hi guys, welcome back to the LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today we are going to discuss about the crypto market, especially about the Bitcoin and Bitcoin miners, because there was a lot of excitement when it comes to the ETF fillings, and the companies are waiting for the approval from the SEC side. But what is very interesting and important is what, for example, BlackRock is doing. As you can see here, BlackRock is a major shareholder in 4 of the 5 largest Bitcoin miners. Well, so without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, Bitcoin is approaching 25,000 as we speak. I don't know when you are going to watch the video. There was some kind of the excitement a few weeks back when there was some ETF fillings, but we are still waiting for the approval. And well, even the insiders are saying that we are going to get this approval quite quickly. Still, I would say it rather months than weeks. But there is very interesting information going on with all those negativities around, and what I'm talking about is what the BlackRock is doing. As I mentioned in the intro, BlackRock is a major shareholder in 4 of the 5 largest Bitcoin miners. That's very interesting, especially if we are going to take into the consideration that the average break-even price for the miners is a little bit above 35,000, and when we are talking about the publicly quoted companies, it might be even higher. So now the thing is what the BlackRock is doing, right? Well, usually taking into the considerations Warren Buffett words, sometimes it might be quite good idea to try to look around when there is a blood on the street. I'm not saying that we have to try to buy each and every dip. What I'm saying is that it might be quite good idea again to look around. Have you ever heard that the BlackRock lost big amount of the money when it comes to the investments? Well, I haven't. And I don't think that they are investing right now to simply lose the money. Maybe simply they know a little bit more than what we have and what is available for us around. Meaning that they might to prepare for some kind of the bullish market. Of course, their view is a long term. So I'm not saying that we are going to see a very big Bitcoin rally very soon. What I'm saying that it's very good idea to be prepared, but not short term. I would rather say long term. Of course, if they are buying the stakes when it comes to some companies, it's not because they want to lose the money, but because of the long-term view, they are preparing themselves for some kind of the bullishness that may very soon come. Don't forget that we are approaching Bitcoin halving as well, right? So that's another very important information. So with that being said, let's have a look where the BlackRock is investing. Well, the first thing first is a Riot Platforms, currently trading at 1020, even with the Bitcoin short term going down. as you may see over here, over the course of the last 5 years. Okay, there you go. Over the last 5 years, we are up 126%. Okay, so that's the company number one. Of course, there was plenty of upsides, and currently, because of how the Bitcoin is behaving, we are seeing the lower levels, but BlackRock is well prepared. The next one is a Marathon Digital Holdings. All right, it's trading at 10.33 and it's down today during the recording somewhere around 6%, but as you can see here, over the course of year to date, we are almost up 200%. That's also very, very interesting. Let's get back for a while into the Riot platforms. It's worth to mention that here we are talking about the owning of almost 10,800,000 shares, which represents 6.14% of the whole company. When it comes to the Marathon Digital Holdings, in that case, we are talking about the almost 11 million shares, which represents something close to 6.5%. So it's not a small stake. It's a quite nice investment, and well, I'm pretty sure they are looking for some kind of the positivity and some kind of the bullishness, but again, not short term, but long term. Another one is a Cipher Mining Incorporation. Here we are talking about the 2.2 million shares and slightly below 1% of the total company. And another one is TerraWolf Incorporation. And here we are talking about the number of shares slightly below 5 million, which represents 2.28 of the total company. It's, guys, very important that, you have to do your own research. You have to do your own homework before risking real money. This video has educational purpose only, but what I would like to tell you is be ready, be prepared if you are bullish long term when it comes to the crypto. With that being said, wish you great next trading session. See you around, take care, and goodbye.